class 6. Today we will begin with Neolithic age. First of all, we will complete all the stone ages beginning from Paleolithic to Mesolithic. Now we have Neolithic, and then we will end up doing Chalcolithic age, and then we will do the rest. Okay, the topics. Tools, discovery of fire. I know I have skipped this, but first we will complete all the stone ages. Okay, so we are with the flow. So you first write the characteristic features of Neolithic age. Now the Neolithic age lasted roughly from 8000 BCE to 4000 BCE. The period of Neolithic age was from 8000 BCE to 4000 BCE. During this period, man made considerable progress. So there was a fair progress in man. How? As you saw in the earlier days, men did not do any cultivation. They did not have settled life. They were nomadics. They were hunters and gatherers, isn't it? But now man is gradually settling themselves in Neolithic age. Neolithic, neo means new. Neolithic age is the new stone age. So man gave up nomadic lifestyle, took up to cultivation, and began to live a settled life mostly near rivers. Now why mostly near rivers? Because there they can access to water, they can catch fish for their meal and other things. Obviously, living near a river gives you a lot of access to a lot of things, like you can draw water from there for drinking and catching fish and other water animals for food, isn't it? A family group would construct mud houses with thatched roof, which is otherwise known as kacha house. Yes, mud houses with thatched roofs are called kacha houses, to close to each other, and that was surrounded by a common fence. In villages, you mostly see that thatched houses, mud houses with thatched roofs, are surrounded by a common fence, and all the houses are in the same premise. In due course, these groups grew into tribes and villages. Understood, children? Man started growing wheat, barley, and rice. So, in the civilization of humans, man started growing which crops? Wheat, barley, and rice. When man took to cultivation, he needed tools like axes to cut down trees and shrubs. So shrubs are small plants. Small plants are called shrubs. So when they started cultivation, they needed tools. Nowadays we need tools for harvesting. The same way, back in ancient times, man needed tools for cutting down trees, shrubs, sickles to harvest crops, spades to dig the earth. So to dig the soil, spades were used. Thus new tools were made to grow crops. The farmers of present age need a lot of equipments for growing crops. They need a lot of equipments for agriculture. The same way, man used different kind of tools for growing crops. This was also the period when man began to domesticate animals like dogs for hunting. Back then, dogs were used for hunting, and now we keep dogs as pets. We pet the dogs. Yes. Goats for milk. Yes, goat milk is used for consumption. The way the milk of buffalo or cows are used for consumption, the same way goat milk was used for consumption, and also goat meat, which is called mutton. Sheep for wool and meat again. Later, donkeys and oxen were used to draw carts. The donkeys were used for carrying loads, and also here you can see for drawing carts, for pulling the carts and plowing the fields. if you visit any field, if you go to any rural area, there you can see cows or buffaloes or oxes. What do? They plow the field. They are used to plowing the field because it is not possible for most of the poor farmers of our country to afford expensive machines and equipments. Yes, so I hope you have understood. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. This is it for today. Please write down these characteristic features. Thank you, children, and have a great day. Stay safe.